SOLAS Chapter 2.1 Part B for Regulation 22 in this topic focuses on the prevention and control of water ingress. Prevention and water control of water ingress. Regulation 22 emphasizes maintaining the structural integrity of a ship to prevent water ingress. Watertight bulkheads and compartmentalization. Watertight bulkheads are the main design feature to prevent uncontrolled water ingress. SOLAS Regulation 22 underlines the importance of water integrity through structural designs, regular maintenance, and monitoring system ensuring the ships remain safe from flooding hazards. Regulation 24 ensures cargo ships, especially ro-ro vessels, prevent water from entering through cargo loading doors. Watertight seals. Cargo doors must have watertight seals to keep water out. Crew responsibilities. The crew must be trained and to inspect and ensure before departure. Watertight prevent water from entering from outside. These measures protect the ship's integrity and prevent water ingress that could compromise stability and safety. Regulation 25 of International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea, SOLAS, addresses protection against water ingress in cargo holds and compartments. Regulation 25 is part of the border SOLAS guidelines aimed to prevent accidents, ensuring the ship's safety by maintaining buoyancy and stability even in the event of water ingress into cargo or special compartments.